I think it's important for everyone to have access to high quality cultural experiences. I think it's vital that those experiences are shared as far and wide as possible. The world functions in some quite prescriptive ways at times, and artists are very, very good at breaking those modes of thinking. It allows us to see the world differently. That's important.
I think Mama can take its place on the world stage. As a learning organisation, it destabilises that divide between the provincial and the international. People move here, people visit here, and they say, "Wow, you've got Mama here." It's wonderful.
People coming through, they're from all different locations. There's from Sydney and Melbourne and Canberra and various communities from around Australia and around the world. So that's bringing a lot of interpretations of art.
We have a major gallery, regional gallery in our town. We're very lucky to have that. But it takes a lot of work to establish it, and the best thing that people can do to support it is to come and bring their friends, particularly their friends who travel from other places. Bring them down here, look at the exhibitions and have a cup of coffee.
The Art Museum's got a terrific range of courses suitable for all ages, from watercolour, printmaking, photography, ceramics, drawing, from all levels of experience. I particularly love it when someone says, "I've never done anything creative in my life," because I go, "Ha-ha, I'm going to work with you." They'll be surprised what they're capable of.
To have a store in my hometown showcasing local makers and artisans is awesome. It's great. It means a lot to me, really. Knowing where a product has come from, it's higher quality, it's going to last forever, I think is really important every time you use a product.
The role of the museum is just to make a place that's welcoming for all, and a place that people can come and see things that they might not see at home, or they don't get to see on television or social media. But seeing art in person is a privilege. Not everyone can do that. So if you have the opportunity to come to Mama and to see the work that's being done here, you'll see an incredible representation of local artists, of artists working on an international stage, of group shows, of artists from all diverse backgrounds, and we open it up for you to come and see that yourself and bring your family and friends as well.
When you visit, we love to give you a brief orientation before you explore the art museum. The museum is a day out with a free entry, and we open every day. We hope to see you soon.